Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to be doing eyelash extensions for y'all, so let's get into it. Alright, the two products I use to do my own eyelash extensions at home are the Ardell Clear Adhesive Glue and Ardell Faux Mink Individual Cluster Lashes. I like using the knot-free ones just because they have a thin band holding the clusters together, so you can't even tell that you have false eyelashes on. You can get small, medium, and large individual packets, or of course you can get the packets that have small, medium, and large in it together. I prefer using the medium ones all over my eyelashes, but since I ordered accidentally small, medium, and large in a container, I'm going to go ahead and use some of those. Alright, so I don't have any makeup on my face just because I want a clean canvas while doing my eyelashes. So I'm going to start off using the short cluster eyelashes onto the inner corner of my eyelids. But what I'm going to do first is get the top to the eyelash container, and I'm going to dip some of this clear adhesive glue onto this container just so I can have some glue already out for me. Alright, now that I have some glue on my container, I'm going to grab some tweezers and a short pair of cluster eyelashes, and I'm going to dip into the glue, and then I'm going to go underneath my eyelashes. And once the glue is a little tacky, go in with your tweezers and just press them together so they can stay onto your natural eyelashes. Alright, now that I put some short eyelashes on the inner corner of my eyelids, I'm going to go now in with the medium size. Alright, now I'm throwing a couple of long eyelashes on the outer corners of my eyelids. Alright, so this is what my eyes look like now that I have eyelash extensions on one of my eyes. Of course, as you can tell, this is a dramatic difference versus lashes and no lashes, and guess what? You get to do it yourself. On to the next eye. This process was very simple and easy. Of course, if one eyelash cluster falls out, I can replace it with a new one. Very inexpensive. I think I spent less than 20 bucks, if I'm not mistaken, for both these two products together versus going to a salon paying $150 plus. That adds up a lot because you got to go 2 to 4 weeks and then you got to get them replaced with another additional charge. No, I'd rather do this myself and just do it at my own time. I will say, whenever you do the adhesive glue onto your eyelashes, just be careful that it doesn't get into your eye because it will sting. But other than that, hopefully this will help y'all do your eyelash extensions at home. Until next time, bye guys.